When I was first diagnosed with breast cancer, I found so much information about what to expect physically with surgery and treatment options, but there wasn't much available about what to expect emotionally. I've always had a strong love of nature and water in particular. I can remember walking along at the beach and just saying to myself, if I make it through this experience, I want to share my story and do what I can to help others that are coming along and being diagnosed after me. What brought me to Westmed was Dr. Fu. I was really impressed with her demeanor, the way that she is with her patients. She made me feel so at ease. She always took time to listen to me, to all my questions. I felt safe in her care. I hired photographer Miana June to take a portrait of myself before I had my second surgery, and it was surprisingly healing. And that led to us co-creating the Breast in the Sea project. We work with survivors at the sea. It's really a very powerful experience. There's a connection between the women there, supporting each other. Dr. Fu and I began a conversation about how we could bring some kind of support group to the breast cancer patients at Westmed. The goal for me in doing this program at Westmed is to share tools with the other patients and breast cancer survivors to help them with their inner healing journey. There's this tremendous potential within nature to help us heal and transform very deeply. You don't need to be an artist by any means in order for them to be effective. And I think that's the real beauty of this experiential creative work, because it's not about the finished product at all, it's about the journey. They create this incredibly supportive environment that help to process all the difficult emotions that come up through breast cancer and beyond. Westmed is showing that they truly understand the emotional needs of breast cancer patients.